No be small thing o. They say that Simon Ekpa, the Prime Minister of Biafra government in exile, he don send message go give the army general wey come outside come talk wey say that some countries na dem dey support Simon Ekpa dey do wetin dey do for inside Nigeria. As that one dey happen Simon Ekpa don come outside come tell am say where im waka go now as im dey come back, make him pray say that the Obinze barrack wey dey for inside Owerri, he say that one na go be the first place wey they go take start. Say make they carry everything wey they fit carry put for that side. Say that they come for Obinze. He say that the Biafra Liberation Army resistance fighter, he said they will soon wuchele for inside Obinze. No be small thing my people. They say that I want on Africa, this one pass me. Now say mo bring a call here, come show my people. Before you go inside the matter where we'll go for hand today, remember say we still there for Balabas GC. If today na the first time wey they come across this wonderful channel, you are highly welcome. My people, let's jump into the matter wey we get for our hand today. The PM of Biafra government in exile, wey be Simon Ekpa, don come outside reply the Nigeria Army General say as him be now, where him go, him dey come back with Ogbunigwe. He said that him go send Amadi on Ogbunigwe for the place where they call Obinze. He say make they wait for them there. Na there they go soon visit now as e dey hot. Okay, my people, we go play you the video of wetin this army talk. I will go still come back and still play you the one where Simon Ekpa reply am. Stay together with me and watch this video.
Expose all those ones doing those things, especially people like Simon Ekpa. He's sitting down there in comfort. Some countries are encouraging him to do what he's doing to Nigeria, and we are here supporting him. So people must desist. We must call what is wrong. But I know that we're taking efforts to ensure that we secure the whole of Southeast, and we'll continue to do that. We regret the souls have been lost. If you see the way they have killed, these guys are not human beings. They are eating flesh. We have seen them doing cannibalization. We have seen them doing cultism and all these things. So it is nobody should ever support such kind of people, because the more you support them, it's like growing a monster. He will come after you. It's just a matter of time. We have seen that happen over and over. So I want to appeal to everyone: never, for whatever reason, for whatever gains you think, support such people. Thank you. I think I've addressed the few questions that have been asked.
Shebuna don hear am. This na the one where this army general talk. He said that as you don't hear am, say na some countries na then they support Simon Ekpa, they do wetin they do for inside Nigeria. As he talk this thing finish, now Simon Ekpa come back come drop this video where we go play you right now. May you watch the video.
I want to give a shout out to every Biafran and inform you people that the bigger one is coming. The bigger thing is on the way. Shout out to everyone. From my location, as you all can see, I am coming back with earthquake. A new earthquake that will hit the zoo very, very hard. I want everyone to understand that those whose agenda is to eliminate Biafrans, they have failed. I can up and abata and ihane mekwanu zoo. Those shouting and crying about what Biafra Liberation Army have done to the zoo. I want to inform you today that your cry is just starting. The assurance I'm giving to the Biafra people is that you will never suffer what the Kaduna people are suffering. Never. Not while people like us are here. You will never suffer what the Medugris, the Borono, the Adamawa, the Katsina, Zamfara are suffering, especially the Christians there. You can never suffer that. That is what I, as a Prime Minister of the Biafra Republic Government in Exile, are promising the entire Biafra people. I want you to understand that you can never, ever be forced into an Islamic state. The promise I'm giving to Biafra people today is that you can never be part of the Islamic state. Your freedom is here, and we will continue to deal with them. Those who think they can use gun, bullet to force us into Islamization, we are here to say no, you can't do that. And all we need is your prayer and support, as we have done so far. We are not going to expect everybody to be part of this liberation of Biafra, but those who are part of it are those making history. As you can see, for a few days now, I've been out of my base. And ihe ga na-eme, the zoo and things will be happening. If they think they have seen anything now, believe me, they have not seen anything. They do not know how we hate Nigeria with passion. The hate they have on us is nothing to compare to how we hate Nigeria, because of the evil, because of the barbarism, because of the genocide that Nigeria commit against indigenous people. And of course, those who have used their power under Nigeria to commit these crimes are not even indigenous people in Nigeria. But that is by the way. We are not here to talk about individuals. Our fight is against the government. Our fight is against the Islamic State government of Nigeria. So, when they think that they know it all, we will come with a different dimension. The Chief of Defense Staff, it is you that is doing cannibalism. It is you that is killing Biafrans and harvesting their organ in Obinze. Obinze. In Obinze, you have fridge and freezer where you put human parts, part of Biafrans. We have the intels. And one day, you will wake up and Obinze will not be there again. Believe me, I swear to God, one day you will wake up, Obinze is gone. It is going to happen. My own is that I'm going to tell you what Biafrans will do, and they will do it. Obinze has become the den, like the lion's den. Obinze. A lot of atrocities are happening in Obinze barracks. And I'm telling Biafrans today that you see that Obinze barracks, it is going to go down very, very soon. There is no amount of security you put there that will make Obinze not to go down. Mark my word, Obinze will go down. Obinze has been the base where human parts of Biafrans are being stored for further shipment to wherever they are needed. And those intels will have them. Many people that have disappeared today, their body parts are in Obinze barracks, cooling in freezer. And I want Biafrans to understand that the war to liberate Biafra is not a secret war, even though it has been going on secretly. But you see that Obinze barracks, it will go down. That is where we are going to start to test, to show them what they have done to us. It's from Obinze barracks. You can never stand. So I am telling them today, if they like, they can go and surrender the entire Obinze barracks with whatever. It is going to go down. Mark my word, and I want you to come back to this video after today. you will come back to this video and say I said it. I said Obinze barrack will go down. And for Biafrans living around those areas, my advice to you is to stay away at least 2 kilometers. Always. From today, maintain your distance from Obinze barracks. And those Biafrans that are living there, we have been calling on you to resign. Some of you that are there, you are still our enemy, because you cannot be wearing the Janjaweed and terrorist uniform and you expect us to treat you as one of us. Anything in Obinze where this barbarism, genocide against Biafra is being planned, anything in Obinze is the enemy. You need to live there. And we will continue to call the attention of civilians whenever things is about to happen, so that no Biafran civilian or any civilian for that matter will get hurt. We don't want to hurt any civilians. Our own is to neutralize, delegitimize, and make sure that those who comes with arms and ammunition to kill Biafrans never have the opportunity to use it. So Obinze is the next place, or the first place, that is going to go down in Biafra land. I just want to drop this update as I am on my way and still on transit.
Okay, my people, no be small thing, no, this na the video what would they tell you? Where in can drop this money, can talk say, in go visit them for inside the place where they call Obinze. He say na there they do undoable for that place. As you dey watch the video, I beg, may you dey share this video so that other people go know wetin dey happen. E don say to okay, my people, we go quickly see you for the next update as e dey hot. May you let us know wetin be your own contribution and share the video.